Hey y'all, hey, I did my hair this morning, and often I find myself in a position where I'm like, oh my gosh, my hair turned out so cute, I wish I would have recorded it. So what I decided to do this time is, I'm not quite doing a tutorial in the most orthodox way. This hairstyle is so simple that you'll actually be able to see how I did it with the takedown. So that's what I'm going to do. So this is how it looks, and this is an infinity wrap. You know I love my infinity wraps, and this is how it looks at the top. Yes, darling, yes. Don't tell me this hairstyle is not cute. Alright, this is all I did. Okay, I'm just going to take the wrap off. This is about that time to go to bed. And you see what I have there now. Initially when I did this, I was going to put a flower, but I'm not quite in the mood. I'm not in the mood right now for the whole flower thing. But all I did, guys, this hairpin has to get tossed. This bobby pin, I mean, because it is snagging. One bobby pin. Two bobby pins. That is it. Yeah. That is it. And that fly, that is so cute. Anyway, I'm just going to pin them up some kind of way. And I'm going to sleep with my hair just like this on a satin pillowcase. Then tomorrow I'm going to start all over again by spritzing a little bit of water, a little bit of leave-in, and some oil to lock in the moisture. And then I'm just going to pretty much style my hair back up like this. It's just easy. I'm not using any styling tools as you saw in my previous video. It's just me playing around with some twists. I mean, look at that. And that's it, guys. Do me a favor, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would really help me out. Share it with any and everyone you think would benefit from it. And also, subscribe if you haven't done so already. And then hit the bell. I don't know what side it's on, but hit the bell so that you receive notifications when I drop new videos. Until the next video, live simply and be kind. Switches.